Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to add or update your bio on Instagram, ensuring your profile stands out and reflects who you are. Whether you're a business owner, a creative, or just looking to express yourself, having a captivating bio is essential. Let's dive into the steps. First, grab your smartphone and open the Instagram app. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your feed, where you can scroll through all the latest posts from those you follow. Next, look for your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. It usually features a small silhouette of a person or your profile picture. Tap on it to head over to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, you'll see an option that says Edit Profile. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a new screen where you can change various aspects of your profile, including your name, username, and of course, your bio. You'll notice a field labeled Bio. This is where the magic happens. Click on it to start writing. You have 150 characters to play with, so make every word count. Think about what you want people to know about you. It could be your interests, hobbies, or even a fun quote that represents your personality. If you're using Instagram for business, consider including what services you offer or a call to action that directs visitors to your website. Once you've crafted the perfect bio that captures who you are or what you do, it's time to finalize it. Look for the Done button in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Congratulations! You've successfully updated your Instagram bio. Remember, your bio is often the first impression new visitors have of your profile. So don't hesitate to revisit and tweak it whenever inspiration strikes or when you want to reflect changes in your life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your social media presence. Happy Instagramming!